Monday, Labor Day, and I don't have a video out. I want to sincerely apologize, guys. I'm doing all I can to upload as the best I can, and it's sucking because I am uploading on my phone, and my phone has really slow internet right now. Someone set the goddamn fire alarm off again. Fucking fire alarm again, and I'm making a goddamn video. I'm making a goddamn video, and someone sets out the fucking fire alarm. Yeah, that fucking sucks. Yeah. I'm making a fucking video and it went off again. It wasn't me. Video. I don't know what's fucking going on. What the fuck? What the fuck? Stay out. The fire alarm's going off. I left the door cracked, so whenever it gets done, we can go in. As long as someone doesn't come out and close it. This fucking sucks. I was making a video. I was fixing to make some orange juice on the video for the... Yeah, the coffee's going. I was fixing to make some fucking orange juice for you guys, and fucking fire alarm goes off. He just got brought some McDonald's from somebody. And why the fuck is the fire alarm going off again?
You know. What's the fries, bro? Yeah, I want the fries.
Shut up! I'm not shutting it.
Here, hold on.
No, it's open. It's open.
Alright, leave that bitch open.
I'm going. Say hi. You enjoying those fries, James? DJ. Alright, so I'm going to continue this video in a minute. Yeah. Alright, it's been a good few minutes before they finally shut the damn thing off. Alright guys, like I said a second ago, I was going to make some orange juice. I was going to attempt to make some orange juice. Yeah, look at there. Yeah. Fresh squeezed. No preservatives added. That's the best kind of orange juice, guys. It's making a weird noise. Alright, so I'm going to continue this video in a little while. I'm going to drink my orange juice. There's my busted up orange. I don't know why the fire alarm keeps going off. That's the second time within the first few minutes that it went off. Got a little metal piece down in there somewhere. And I don't know, guys. So today is Labor Day, and it's a holiday, so I wanted to make this video so you guys could kind of see. I'm not forgetting about you guys. I am trying to get videos out currently, but I've been uploading one video, which was supposed to be the day 5 of the 7-day challenge, and it's just fucking taking forever. I'm still gonna put it out this weekend. I've got this weekend. I'm going home, so even if I don't get videos out this week, I do apologize, because I do have something special for you guys. I also have something special for already made and gonna be recorded here soon for the 200th subscriber video. I've got special challenges coming up, guys, with me, Trent, and probably a new guy you'll meet named Steven. I think he wants to be a part of it. It's gonna be kind of a special little challenge, and it's gonna suck ass because I've got. Let me tell you, it's gonna involve something really, really fucking hot, and I'm not looking forward to it. There's some fucking seeds in my orange juice, but it'll be okay. That's really fucking good. I love orange juice, especially fresh squeezed. I think when I get my own place, I'm gonna buy a shit ton of oranges every week and fresh squeeze some orange juice every morning. I got some coffee brewing. It's noon. It's like 11:45 exactly. Oh guys, I'll see you guys later on in the day. Here's a little something interesting. Yesterday I slipped and fell and I scratched my wrist up. I slipped in a puddle that was sitting like kind of here on the floor and I hit my wrist on the bed and kind of got it scratched up. But alright guys, I'll see you guys in just a little while. I'm going to take a shower because I didn't take one. I haven't taken one yet. I worked this morning and a few other things. Since the holiday, they're treating it like a weekend. So yeah, I'll see you guys in just a little while.
Choice was not mine. I had to say goodbye for the last time.
And away! That didn't go very far. I got this. I got it. Yeah. Right to him. Hell yeah. Frisbee! It hovered down. Frisbee! Frisbee at cast. That was perfect. Alright guys. So now I'm just kind of chilling. It's 4:15 in the afternoon. I've been playing Frisbee for a while. There it is. I was looking for the Frisbee. I've been playing Frisbee for a while, so yeah. I don't know what to do. I'm watching Joe Dirt 2, I think it is. Guys, I'm just bored as fuck. And just chilling here. I mean, having a good day. I got some money in this hand. It's money. Money! It's $1. It's $1. The $1. The fan blew it away. My fan blew it away. Oh. Can't blow it. Alright, have it in the fan. Oh, I think it hit the floor. I don't know where it went. Oh god. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in just a little bit. I'll find something to do, something a little interesting, and we'll do something. So I had a great and active day. I had a great and active day. I did indeed. So now, I want my motherfucking coffee. We started this video with a fucking drink. We're gonna end it with a fucking drink.
Hey, I heard you like football. Me too.
Right here. Right fucking that. We're gonna turn on some lights. There we go. What do you want? What? Huh? I'm making a video.
About coffee?
About coffee. Actually, I'm continuing a video that I made earlier today. What do you want to do? Dawson ain't in this room. Bye, sexy ass. Alright, back to the fucking coffee. First we got to turn the tab a little bit, and then we got to slap some creamers, and then we got to slap some fucking sugar. We're gonna throw this creamer. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and do it like this. Hold on. Alright, you guys are gonna set, not there, but there. Right there. See, alright, we got to slap this fucking, I'm gonna get down to your eye level here. There we go. We're gonna slap this fucking creamer. Gonna slap it around. And then we're gonna dump it in my cup. We're gonna dump it in my cup. We're gonna dump some sugar in my cup. And then we're gonna dump some coffee in my cup. And then we're gonna stir the cup. Yeah. So now I have me fucking coffee. Which almost just went up my nose. Oh. That was hilarious, wasn't it? Guys, my hair is just absolutely throwing out. That muscle there is just absolutely being sexy. Oh yeah. But anyways, my hair here is just absolutely throwing out. There's a toilet behind me, discard that. There we go. This big light helps with the lighting in this room. My shirt helps with the cleaning of the camera. Alright guys, thank you for watching this short video. We started off kind of a funny video this morning when I started to make a video and then the fire alarm actually fucking went off. So yeah. And then we came in, we made some orange juice, and then we did some lip sync, then we threw a frisbee, now we're doing this. I think there could have been something else in between that, I'm not sure, but I don't remember. Too many conks on the old noggin, eh? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you're new to this channel, you know, hit the like, hit the subscribe, all that glorious stuff. And yeah. Hey Emu, I'm making a video. I know you don't like being on the video, so I'm not going to turn the camera toward you. But I'm watching your every move. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and peace out! If you're anxious to see more videos on this channel, please click over here on the left annotation. Oh my god, you're still here. Oh my god, you're still here. Come over here. Follow me on these things if you like. If you think I'm subscribe worthy, then click on this shirt. Subscribe to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Peace out.